it. Both of you, knock it off.
Today we have something very special. We're making mango sago, your favorite dessert. Yay! Are you ready?
Yes.
Kira? Let's go. Oh, why did you throw it at me? This is
My daughter's cups.
just a handful of ingredients. Sago, champagne mangoes, sugar, coconut jelly, coconut milk, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. All right, let's start boiling our sago. Just leave like an inch or two right here for the pot, so when it boils, it doesn't overflow. Okay, we're gonna bring the water to a boil.
On high?
Yes. So we're gonna do 2 cups or tapioca pearls. And you see how I turned down the heat? The tapioca is gonna start soaking up this water and expanding a little bit. This has been on low heat for about 10 minutes, and you can see already that the sago has expanded, absorbed some of the water, and it's thickened. We want less white pearls, more clear pearls. Got it?
Yes, chef.
This is when we turn off the heat, and we're gonna cover with a lid for like 10 minutes. Let's move on to cutting mangoes.
Yay!
I want you guys to pay attention, okay?
Where is the mango? I don't want to put rice in the sago. It doesn't taste good if you do that.
Why is it in the rice? I bury mangoes in rice. It helps ripen mangoes when it's not ripe. What Ba taught me was to use a knife in my finger to really feel out the flesh. We start at the end and just like slowly cut the skin off instead of a peeler.
The knife is so sharp. I'm scared.
Cut around the seed. Got it. See, I'm trying to curve around the seed. See it? As much fruit as possible. Flip them over, and we're gonna cube the fruit. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check on our sago. Ooh. So now, the fun part, we're gonna wash and rinse this. So we're gonna do this in batches because it gets heavy. There's 2 reasons why we're doing this. We want the tapioca to cool down, and we want to wash out all the sticky glue substance.
Ew.
More ASMR.
That's not very good, ASMR.
I don't like that.
Stop it.
She just can't help herself. This is her favorite dessert, so.
It's how you learn.
What does it taste like?
Nothing.
This tastes like nothing, right? So how many times do you think we should rinse this?
6 or 7.
I'm rinsing it like 2 to 3 times. Can you guys try this later when you guys make it?
Yeah.
Just want to see if you could flip the
Yeah,
sago.
we're gonna get it as high as we can.
Oh yeah. Next, we dump the mango.
Yay.
So this is coconut jelly. Whole can of coconut milk. Half of this can. And then we have condensed milk.
Ooh, I like condensed milk. I want to eat it.
We're gonna do the whole can. Half cup of sugar. This is literally like 20 servings.
In my case,
She could eat this whole bowl.
I can.
Because it's so thick, you have to actually stir it a lot because the condensed milk needs to really mix into evaporated milk. Thank you. We're supposed to refrigerate this overnight so the sago could expand more and soak up more of the coconut milk.
Do you want to bite camera?
Camera eats first.
Cheers.
Are you ready to make it on your own now? I think because we make this so often at home for our family dessert, our surprise guest today should be Daddy. I finally did it to somebody else.
Add water to a pot. Was it this water or was it the filtered water? That one.
Okay.
That's enough. We need 1.5 of this. 1.5 or 1/2? 1.5. Okay. Use champagne. Do you mean champagne mangoes? Yes. Why does it say hi, Shay? Someone did say hi to you. No more notes for you. Okay, awesome. Okay, now we have to just wait for 10 minutes. I'm set 10-minute timer. Okay. 10. Do you know where my timer is?
Did they already put the sago? Did they stir it or anything? Or did I miss something?
Oh wait, we're not. The sago's not even in there. We don't need to set that.
No, sago's not in there. It's just the water.
Okay. Shay, we want to cut mangoes now? Yes.
Cut mango.
Where we get mango?
Rice. Rice. Okay, you got that.
Ah, there's one.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this is the nerve-wracking part. Gently, gently, gently. Yay!
Yay! It looks so good.
Ah, look at that.
Wait, I think I'm doing pretty good.
And then make them cubed.
I'm gonna just... That works.
Yes!
Yes! I did it!
I'll start making the sago. A whole cup of tapioca. It's about...
So slippery.
And then I'm gonna do half of a cup. I'm just gonna do half of this. And I'm gonna pour it in.
Gonna mix it immediately so it doesn't start clumping together.
Ensure they don't clump together.
So are they doing it right so far?
She literally just
Said what you said.
How's cutting mango going, Kira? Now I set the timer for 10 minutes. Let's tag team. You keep mixing the sago while I cut a mango, okay? Cutting the butt off. And now I'm gonna cut this. I'm scared. I wish I could see my mom's face right now. I wonder what she would be looking like.
Now this is where I get nervous.
I think she's also scared. Okay. Wait, did I do it? I did it! I did it! Ah,
nice.
it's so thin.
Be careful.
Okay, this, right?
No.
This.
Go around. Go around. Yeah, like
So
a C.
like around the seed.
Yes.
I'm going around the seed. How do I go around the seed? How did you do that?
Do you want me to do it?
No, I am an independent woman.
1.5.
Kira!
What? What? Shayna! Genuinely, what is this? Here, keep cutting this one. Cut this one into a cube.
I guess cutting mango isn't my specialty.
Definitely not.
We're supposed to agree.
Oh, sorry. No, she's so good at it.
Thank you. The water is thicker now, Kira, and it's becoming a little more clear.
Maybe, okay, how long has it been?
10 minutes.
Oh, okay. So,
Turn the heat off, and then put the lid back on there. Another 10 minutes. I love mango. Now we're gonna strain. So put it in here.
can you move it a little closer, maybe? Thanks.
Don't want to overfill it because when you wash it, then it's gonna overflow. They're overfilling it. They're overfilling it.
Funny.
She's adding more.
Okay, more. I'm trying. Just a little bit.
No
at a
more,
time.
please. No,
Oh,
no.
and she just wasted $5. Okay. What? Now we're gonna strain it with some cold water. Waste it. I'm gonna try to do this lip, like Mom said. Hey!
Oh!
They call me Gordon Ramsay. Bowl.
Okay.
Do you want to do the honors and put the mango in bowl?
Okay.
And then now it says to add all the coconut jelly with the syrup. Good job. Add coconut.
All of it?
Oh, yep. Evaporated milk.
Evaporada leche.
Good job, Kira. Is that about half?
It's a little bit more than half.
It's okay. What's next? Whole can. We're adding all the condensed milk. 1 cup of sugar
It's supposed to be half a cup.
with sugar.
I'll just be extra sweet.
It's half a cup. It's half a cup.
she heard
Shay.
She heard me.
Put it back. Put it back.
It's half a cup. It's half a cup. It's
Don't
half a cup of
talk
sugar.
so
This is half a cup of sugar. This is an appropriate amount of sugar. In there.
Use just to mix.
No, the ladle. Use ladle. Use lid. Stop.
I feel the sugar.
Look at that. And we made mango sago. Mom.
And Dad.
Okay,
Dad, we made it.
we're up.
This is your first one.
Okay. Good.
Make sure you get a good bite.
Stop.
Don't do that.
Don't make that face.
Now taste the other one.
What would you rate the first one you ate?
10. 10. One has more sugar than the other.
Shay almost put a whole cup of it in.
I know. It was good, girls.
What are you? visually it's a score too.
What's that face?
I'm gonna say
Do you like ours better?
that I like
Do you like ours better?
mine better.
Of course.
That is a little bit more sweet. That doesn't mean it's a bad thing. I would still give this a 10. Yeah. And mine's an 11.
When you make it in college, I'll come visit and eat it.
You guys have really impressed me. I love the teamwork. I love the delegating. Kira, I would love to just see you do more, taking more of initiative and doing things. And Shayna, instead of delegating so much, having your sister do everything,
Switch roles.
switch roles a little bit.
You be the leader, you be the follower a little bit more.
I'm the leader.
Well, I wouldn't say leader, I think
alpha.
more bossy.
They're all mean to me. I'll go. I see where I'm not wanted.
Be
you guys?
less bossy, okay?
I see
You
where
guys
I'm
did
not
great.
wanted.